everyone! It's 5:20 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria, and in the Philippines, it's 12:20 na ng gabi. So ngayon guys, gutom na gutom ako guys. So kaya guys, naisipan kong mag-air fryer ng ganitong klase ng beef guys. Ito yung klase ng beef guys na parang Korean, yung pang sangyupsal, basta ganun guys, air fryer ko lang to siya guys. Ayan, napakasarap guys. And of course guys, yung cheese hotdog, as in guys, super sarap ng hotdog na to guys, promise. At syempre guys, kapag yan ang ulam, rice is life. And of course, meron din tayong pasalad. Pero guys, yung salad ko, akin-akin lang to ha. May halo siyang pipino, lettuce, apple, and grapes. And of course, may Sprite tayo guys. So, kain tayo guys. Babush!